गोवा कॅनान केल्ल्या कागाळीचे फाटभुंयेर अन्न आनी वखदां प्रशासनान पर्वरींतल्या शिक्षण संचालनालयाच्या इमारतींतल्या कॅन्टीनांत धाड घाली. नितळसाण आनी कॅन्टीनाक पेंट मारपाचें काम पुराय जायना मेरेन कॅन्टीन बंद आसतलें. थोड्या दिसां भितर ह्या कॅन्टीनाची परतून पळोवणी करतले अशी माहिती अन्न आनी वखदां प्रशासनाचे अधिकारी रिचर्ड नोरोना हांणी दिली.
Received a telephonic complaint from NGO Goa Can, where I believe they had come here and they had seen some non-compliances. So today when we have checked, there were several structural non-compliances, like there was some painting required and some cleaning that is required. We issued a notice to the canteen operator and we've asked him to close the operations from tomorrow and get the things rectified. So they are basically all civil works that need to be done. So once he gets that done, we will do a verification inspection after he gives a compliance, and if things are in place then he will get to operate again.
So we are also informed that he doesn't have a proper license of, now we don't know what types of license they have. A food license.
He has a FDA license. Yeah. He has obtained an FDA license. So FDA license is there. So as far as FDA license is concerned, there is no issue. However, his food handlers, they were not having their health cards. So we've asked them to get it done through the doctor also.
So the employees doesn't have a health card.
Health card was not there. It was there, but it was not renewed. So we've asked him to rectify this.
What was the complaint?
The complaint was basically that he had not displayed the license, and there were some structural non-compliances which we have verified, and it was a genuine complaint.
Only the structure and this thing.
Any
menu cards.
Yeah, menu cards and all that, we have nothing to do with that. We are only more concerned about the compliances.
Any wrong findings were
Findings were there, yeah. So that is what he has to do, some painting, he has to do deep cleaning. So all these things he cannot do while he is operating. So he has to keep the things operations closed from tomorrow, which he has given an undertaking also to us in writing. And he's agreed to do the work. So once he's agreed to do the work, we have to give him an opportunity to improve.
सो सर एक बेसिक क्वेश्चन की आतांचे फूड एडल्ट्रेशन बीन फायंड आउट जातात सगळे कडेन, सो तुमी कशें पळयतात, हाव यू सी दॅट ऑल अदर प्लेसीस आर ऑल्सो एडल्ट्रेटेड फूड्स बीन सप्लायड? What is your take on that?
So I would just like to add here that there is a difference between adulterated food and food that is not coming from a hygienic facility. Adulteration is a different subject matter that is done by basically sampling and all. But what you are saying is basically foods coming from places that are not hygienic. I think this is a process which we have already started long ago in Goa, and we have also taken a lot of help from you all. And we appreciate that, because once people watch your news and they are and the idea is also that they improve. They should not wait ki मला FDA येतले वो कोण ऑथॉरिटी येतले मागीरूच आमी सारकें करतले. दॅट इज अ रॉंग मेंटॅलिटी. हे पळोवन एक 10 जाणांनी जर इम्प्रूव केलें जाल्यार आमचेंय काम कमी जातलें. सो दॅट इज दीस होल इंटेंशन.